On the Entity Distribution tab, you will find a tree map chart which shows a representation of each entity, how many times the entity occurs in your training data, and which intents they relate to in your model. So if you take the account type entity, as in this example, you can see which intents use this entity. We've got the savings target and the interest rate intents. And if you hover over one of the intent names, you can see the number of occurrences you have of this entity in your training data for this intent. This allows you to validate your intent mapping strategy. As you build your model, you may decide strategically to represent entities within an intent. However, as you grow and retrain your model, you may not notice that you are bringing entity values within your training data. This is particularly true for Watson, as there is an implicit link between the entities, unlike Lewis and Dialogflow, where there is an explicit link. So where you have an implicit link, it's very important to be able to validate that your entity strategy that you've tried to put in place is still there. This diagram helps you to do that.